Hey, dude. Quick, minor public service announcement. If you are someone who owns a Rigol DHO series oscilloscope and you're upgrading to an MHO series oscilloscope, um, I hadn't really checked on this beforehand. I thought I could just, pop that out, pop that in, use everything the same. The only difference is this has higher power requirements. I didn't know that until I tried to slot it in. That takes about 45 watts, and this takes 70 watts. So I was getting those weird, initially hard to diagnose intermittent power issues where sometimes it would work and sometimes it would refuse to turn on. That's why. That would negotiate up to 65 watts, and sometimes it would negotiate 20 volts and sometimes it wouldn't. Yeah, so that's it. So, if you're swapping over from that, if you use a power brick that came with the Rigol, then you're fine. I wasn't. I was using a Pine power. So if you have some other USB-C power that you were using for the DHO series, just be aware it needs to be able to output at least 70 watts. The one they include provides 100 watts. Bye.